I finally came to a conclusion where it's best for me to... Can you spot the change? I'll give you 1 second to spot the change. Okay, you lost. Because the change is that my background has changed. Yeah, I know, big change, isn't it? But I just thought that this room has better lighting conditions, especially in the morning, because the sun comes from the window. And honestly, the past 50 days, I only saw the sun, I think 3 times. I'm not gonna lie, I took pictures of it. You can see it here. Because if you live in the UK, where I'm at right now, you've seen the news where the last 50 days, the sun was not coming out, and it was rarer than emerald ore. Yes, I think you know what I mean. Alright, the weather was very beautiful until this cloud decided to block the sun. Back to the topic. So I just wanted to make this video because I lied. I promised to you that I'll make a different video explaining about what's going on with my life, and I never did this. So I broke my promise. And yes, I admit it, I lied. So in a few words, the last 2 weeks were a bit of a roller coaster. I had some personal problems going on. TikTok threw me out of the Creators Rewards program. I've made a video about this on TikTok. You can go and check this out because of low quality content, which sure, no problem. And yes, this is not the best news to hear when your life is already at struggles. So they threw me out 8 days ago, and another major problem occurred 7 days ago. Yeah, it took me a couple of days to recover and just reflect a wee bit. So I'm back on track right now, but I really put a lot of thought into the 365 project challenge, which, spoiler alert, this is the 8th video of this challenge, and posting videos every single day for 365 days. If you're new to this project, then just make sure you subscribe or watch my earliest videos, because you can see where I started and where I'm at right now. That's actually cool, isn't it? So why did I start this project? Number 1 priority is to develop discipline, because I want to go back to YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for about 11 to 12 years, but this time I want to go back for real. I was on and off for the last 9 years on YouTube. The first 2 years were very intense, and I started again on October 2025. I mean, you know, graduating from college, being broke. Yes, I gotta do something with my life. So since October till 8 days ago, I was posting mainly shorts on TikTok, IG, Facebook, and YouTube. But 8 days ago, I said, you know what, I'm tired of not uploading long form videos. So I started a serious project called the 365 project, where I post 1 video per day. Ever since, for the last 8 days, I've been doing that. And I hope I'll be doing this in the future as well. Number 2, because I enjoy making videos, but just couldn't put my mindset to do it. I hope you know what I mean. I was giving excuses, I'll do this later and later and later, but now I'm doing this now. Thirdly is improve my communication and speaking skills. I use many useless words like basically, also, this and that, which doesn't really help and gets you bored and you click away. I don't blame you, it's my fault. So I want to improve that. Also, storytelling, video editing, coming up with better video ideas, because it's quite difficult to come up with good ideas nowadays. Everything's taken, but there's always a good way to add up. And yeah, I actually spend about 5 to 6 hours every day making a new video, and about 1, 2, 3 hours to make short content. And I'm also a founder of another startup. I cannot say much about this, but maybe in the future I will, but now, no, let's keep it secret. And yes, I thought a lot about quitting. Like since October, although I was making shorts, it was less intense, but now the last 8 days, I was actually seriously considering quitting this challenge because it was actually burning me out a bit. So after loads of thinking of quitting YouTube, I finally came to a conclusion where it's best for me to not quit. What? Because I made a promise to a lot of you. So if I quit, it's basically me breaking the promise. And you're not gonna trust me anymore, because I already told many other people, even some people who I'm about to collaborate with, that I'm making this project. So if I quit, yeah, people are not gonna trust me anymore, and they're gonna have every right to do so. But I'll keep going until I burn my brain. I hope you know what I mean. Speaking of that, what's the future? So number 1, I'm actually negotiating with a local business to collaborate and possibly making better videos for my YouTube channel. They were very happy. I spoke to them. They were extremely happy with what I'm doing, and they showed interest and enthusiasm. But yeah, I'm actually very excited. And if you're watching, yeah, I'm looking forward to work with you, because I think it's going to be an amazing experience and it's going to help a lot of people. So yeah, let's work together. And secondly is the future of the 365 project. Now I thought that every 10 videos, now we're on the 8th, so in 2 days from now, and every 10 videos, I'll be making a special or stream video. Secondly, I'm thinking of starting a merchandise project where I make t-shirts with hashtag 365 project label in front of it and some cool stuff. It's not gonna be like this, but it will be a surprise. And the idea is that I don't earn any profit from this because I want you guys to pay for what you get, not me earning profit, because I don't think I need profit right now. I need to earn money from YouTube videos. And speaking of money from YouTube videos, so far I only earn about £3 to £4 by making YouTube videos for the last 8 days. Yes, it's good enough because I expected much less. And speaking of that, there's also the VidCon, which happens annually, and this year is going to be in California in June, I think. So I was thinking of going to VidCon, but there's one massive problem, is that I have to spend a lot for traveling from my country, which is the United Kingdom, to California, finding some good place to stay, and then come back. Yeah, that's gonna cost me probably $2,000 to $3,000 or $4,000. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. But if something happens and one of my videos go viral and I get a few $1,000, which I think the probability of this happening are 0.01%, yes, I will make it to VidCon with my 365 project t-shirt, so you guys can recognize me in some way. But regardless, it will be an amazing experience if I manage to make it. If not, it will be because I'm just that broke. So yeah, that's everything about me. I will be working for my video for tomorrow because I want tomorrow to be a useful video, not useless like this. I don't know why I did this video, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.